Hello, parents. Looking for a simple, fun, and hassle free way to keep your little one engaged in learning? Let's talk about digital products. Digital products are downloadable files like flashcards, coloring pages, ebooks, and printable worksheets that you can easily access on your iPad, tablet, smartphone, and print at home. No shipping, no waiting. Just purchase, download the PDF instantly, and start learning anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at a restaurant, on a road trip, or just need a quick and engaging activity for your little one at home, digital downloads make learning fun and effortless. Simply open the flashcards on your tablet, let them color a printable, or work on an interactive worksheet, all without the mess of traditional books. With instant access and zero clutter, learning has never been this easy and convenient. Make learning fun, simple, and stress-free with digital downloads. Grab yours today and start exploring. Visit KrinaKidsLearning.com. See you there.